Alam mo, ang revolution is no longer evolved. You cannot win a fight for social justice or for a better life in your country if you go to revolution. It won't work. Hindi ka kayo makahawak ng isang barangay, and in the coming days, there will be a very, very radical change in the behavior of government. You know, I am not challenging you. You might win, or you may lose, but that is something to be seen. But I intend to call the attention of the military guys here. There are two of them. Four. Pati ikaw bang anong ranggo mo na? Major ka na, no? Lieutenant Colonel ka na? Buti ka pa. Ako, ni Sargento, hindi ako binigyan itong forces na ito.
5-star ka na.
We cannot go on this way. We have been fighting for 53 years. Mga kababayan, 53 years. Maawa naman kayo sa coming generation. Yung atin, tatay natin, lolo natin, tiyuhin ko, the adopted brother of my father, he was shot while having a meal with breaking bread with, matapos kumain, binaril sa ulo ng mga NPA. Pero kami, we do not have that hatred in our heart. Ang akin lang, it's about time that you stop this sword revolution. If you want changes, it has to be through evolution. Dahan-dahan lang. Now, dito sa gobyerno, I'm telling you now, and I will not stay forever in this world, but there are two things which you must remember. If we cannot have law and order in this country, and if we cannot stop corruption in government, there can be never will we rise to the next step as a nation. Basta nandyan pa yung corruption, nandyan pa yung... We are fighting so many fronts. We are fighting the Abu Sayyaf. We do not call them Abu Sayyaf anymore. They're ISIS. They are tied up with the radical bankrupt movement dyan sa Middle East. Walang mga utak yan kung hindi magpatay pati magsira. Then I am facing the revolutionary fronts. Territorial na ang ano nila. And that's the MI and the MF. We have already done our part. And I'd like to thank the Maguindanao, the Iranians, and the Maranaos for giving it a chance to work. Miswari, in the goodness of God's time, baka natin. Then we have the Truga. I have one thing to say. I've been repeating it several times. Drugs will destroy my country. It will create mass social dysfunction. It will pull the country down at it would kill our children. So pag nandiyan ka sa droga, let me be very frank, to the human rights, unto all, unto the crying babies, putang inan mo, pagka pumasok ka dyan, papatayin talaga kita. No, wala ako. I will not even say a little prayer for you. Talagang papatayin kita. And that's it. If you want to escape drop it. Bitawan mo. Tapos na. Nothing to worry. Drop the drugs, drop the weapons, and we can talk. At ako magpakumbaba. Total ako naman, bayad ng tao, para utusan. We are all workers in government and we work for the people. Period. Huwag na yung mga presidente, mataas na masyado yan. Hindi ninyo maabot yan sa isip ninyo. And I don't even call myself president. Just call me mayor. Yan lang naman talaga ang siguro kaya rin ng utak ko. Presidente, masyadong yan, mataas na. I find it a little bit, nakukornehan ako. And even if you call me president, I will not, hindi kita papansinin. Totoo yan, pag president, alam ko ako, diretso lang ko. Pag sabi mayor, ano yon? Pag sabi mong, totoo, si Mayor Belmonte na yan. Tapikin mo ako, sabihin mo, presidente. Sabihin kita, ha? Pag sabi mo, Mayor, yes sir, what can I do for you? It's not that I'm belittling the position. Ang problema ko is ganito. Ang pagka-mayor ko, the paradigm or whatever, however I look at the position, dala-dala ko sa pagka-presidente. Kaya kung gusto ko magsabi ng putang ina mo, magsabi ako ng putang ina mo, hindi ko talaga pipigilan. Kung si ambasador nakikinig dyan, sabi niya, walang putang ina mo, that's your problem. It is not my problem. You are here, you try to understand what is putang ina mo. Para as we work together in improving the quality of life for our farmers, their families, and communities. I am counting to all agrarian reform beneficiaries to support the growth and development of agricultural sector to responsible farming. Maasahan ninyo, maybe this year, ang pinakamataas sa budget natin is yung edukasyon. Then yung DPWH. Baka itong sa last 2 years ko, yung iangat ko kayong mga farmers. At sana naman na nandito ba si Pinyol? Did you invite? Maulinte itong sabi niya, I assure you, Mr. Huwag na yung sabihin sa kanya. May insulto yung tao. Pero sinabi kasi niya sa cabinet. Sabi niya, I assure you, Mr. President, yung English yun that I think, I believe that at the end of the year, we will be a net exporting country of rice. Wow! Sabi namin sa cabinet, totoo ka? Yes! Doable yan. So, nagkaroon na ng crisis, sabi ko, to Pinyol, kagbay ara ng crisis sa bugay. May problema ta. That is a temporary setback, Mr. President. I assure you that there will be enough time to recover. Tiga kaabot siya ng typhoon, haros dari, haros dito, hangin nga rin, haros dito. I sabi, because you forgot to factor in, Mr. Secretary, the climactic. Passing lang na. So, minsan, it brings my mind back to an earlier incident. Kita kami sa airport. Nakita niya ako. Di sa airport sa Davao, may ara ng masayista. Nakita niyo, nung kadto mo sa Davao, na may masayista sa ulo ng mga blind. So, nakita niya ako. So, Oh, Mr. President, are you leaving? English yan siya. Oo, punta ko sa Manila. Delayed ang flight natin to. Kapag masahe na ako. Oo, direct ka sa Pikas. Sige. Plaka oras ang delay natin. O siguro mga usa. Alam mo naman yan, pal. Delayed man talaga. Tapos, pamasahe na rin siya. Sabi ko, sige masayista yung kaibigan ko. So, sige na, ginamasahe siya. Sige na kami usap, bilunggo siya. Wow, linti nga, kining, complaining about everything under the sun. Tapos sabi ng masayista, Sir, lunggo ka, sir? Sabi ni sekretary, ito nga why alam mo, ilunggo ko? Sabi niya, Sir, linti. Gumasahe ko sa ulo mo, gadamo sa hangin. Kaya may ara ng ilongga sa likod, Basta Ilonggo, rapapap dito, rapapap dito, patay silang lahat. Well, to Secretary Pino, that's just, lang yan, biro lang yan. Pero, that's the joke dyan sa mga, pardon, my apologies. I do not mean to insult you. Istorya lang yan, kasi net exporter nga eh. Kaya nalaala ko yung net exporter. Ngayon, nagka-crisis sa bigas. Putang ina. And I thought it would never happen. Would never happen in my term. Ang nangyari talaga. Sabi ko sa kanila, look, pag yung putang inang bodega na yan, hanggang dyan yung sako, pabutin mo doon sa ceiling. Because Filipino is visual. Pag nakita niya yung bodega niya hanggang doon sa taas, okay yan sa Filipino. Pag nakita niya down kayan to a fourth of its total capacity, and somebody brings out a very bad joke about the stocks or the supply of the rice, o ganyan na lang niya nakita, almost about 5 feet. Marami na yung so create panic. Sabi ko, pataasin mo yan. Total, puta yung first out, first in, first out ka man. Punuin mo yung mga bodega. And by the way, bilhin mo yung yung local. Unahin muna ninyo sa during harvest time. Magpalugi tayo. Kung ipagbili nila ng mahal, dublado, sige lang, total, pera man ng Pilipino yan. Ubusin ninyo. Basta para lang sa tao. Okay. With the technology transfer, resource and facility support, and capacity building programs that this administration will make available to our farmers, I am confident that we will see stronger, a brighter future for agriculture in the Philippines. As I said, in the coming months, we would be dealing, konektado itong lupa sa, I do not think that we can afford to wage a war another 53 years. So I am telling the military, can we end it now? We cannot afford to pass it on to the next generation. Baka hindi na nila makaya. It has to be now. And I'm serving notice to everybody that in the coming months, it will be not really bloody, but there will be at least a little trouble for our country. We have to finish it, pati droga. And this will make us a magnet for all criticisms that are there waiting for us to do